Hello everyone, welcome to part 20 of Dating Social Networking Website in Laravel 5.6 and this time 5.7 as well. As last time we have updated our dating project to Laravel 5.7. So now everything what we are going to do in Laravel 5.7. So last time we have made this folder Laravel 5.7. We can just rename this folder to dating 5.7 so that it will be more meaningful for us. Okay, so dating 5.7 we can go. We need to first run zap, and after that we need to go inside the folder and then run php artisan serve command to run the 5.7 project this time. Okay, so I will open Chrome as well. Okay, so I need to see that whether it runs properly once, and we will continue other thing with our dating project, and this time we will start working on photos, means the user photos that we are going to start working on, because every user wants to upload his photo in his dating profile, and that will also be get approved by the admin. So first, see, now it started working. Now we can see this one we can run. Initially it will take few minutes. Now it's working fine. Now we can also check that this project is actually it's in which version of Laravel, PHP artisan version. We can check version here. See 5.7.3. So it's fine. It's 5.7 version. So now we can continue with this project, and I'm going to open in Sublime. Okay, so let's open this project in Sublime. Okay, so I'm going to do this like just simply need to open in Sublime. Okay, so here I'm going to start. Okay, then in part 20, as I have told you that we will start working on photos. We will start working on user photos. User photos that the user going to upload in his dating profile, and that photos also admin will approve first. Okay, so user can upload multiple photos. Okay, so in his dating profile, and photos also user can add after logging to his account. So photos can't be accessible before login. Login. Okay, so photos page. That's photos. My photos page, we can say. So my photos page means, okay, so can't be accessible, or we can say, so and photos also, and for updating photos, for adding updating photos, user needs to log into his account. Okay, user needs to log in to his account first. Okay, so I can remove this one, and now we are going to start first step. And in the first step, we are going to create table for photos. Okay, so we will create table for the photos. Create table. We can create like user underscore photos. We can create. Okay, so we can create like user underscore photos. Okay, create table users underscore photos, and this time we are going to manually create it because we don't have that much time to create with migration, but you can also create with migration. Okay, so in similar manner, localhost phpmyadmin we can open. and see dating is already there, and we can make now users underscore photos. Okay, so we will create user underscore photos table, this time manually, from phpmyadmin, but you can create with Laravel Migration as well. Command as well. Okay, so we will create user photos table with below columns. Okay, so which columns are ID, like user ID. Okay, so we will also photo will come here. Photo means photo name will come here, and default photo means this photo the user want to default or not, and status means if in case user admin will not approve this and photo. Okay, created at and updated at is surely will be part of our table. Okay, so these things we are going to create, and see default photo, see default underscore photo we will set as no. Okay, as no, as default, okay, default. And status we will set as 0. Okay, as default, okay, in our phpmyadmin. So we are going to create this new table, like I have told you, users underscore photos. Okay, users underscore. Okay, we will make it users underscore photos. Okay, so make it like users underscore photos, because users underscore details we have done earlier on, and it will look fine. Users photo model we will make. Okay, so users underscore photos we will make, instead of user underscore photo we will make users underscore photos. Okay, and number of columns you need to see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, only 7 columns are required. Okay, so we will create with 7 columns, and this one we can create like this. Okay, so first of all id will come, int is fine, auto increment we will primary. Okay, fine, go primary as well, and after id we will here add user id. Okay, user id we can add, and int is fine for this, and after user id we will add photo. Okay, photo we can give varchar 255, that is enough for it. Okay, so now we will create default photo. Okay, so default photo is having some specific value every time, so we can give less space to it. We can just give 10 space to it, because this one we are going to use as default. We means here we are going to set as defined. Okay, we are going to set as no. Initially we will set it as no, because it will pick of its own one photo. After that we will give the option to the user to make any photo as default. Okay, so after default photo we will add status column. Spelling of the status column is incorrect. Okay, status column we can add with int. Okay, so we can add this with tiny int. Okay, so no, tiny int is better. Yeah, we can add this with tiny int. Where is the tiny int? Okay, so here is the tiny int, and this one we can add as defined. Again we can set the value as 0. Okay, so after status we will add now created at, updated at, that we used to create in every Laravel table. Okay, we can simply give timestamp. Okay, for both the cases we can give date time as well. Timestamp we have given, and after that we just need to save the table. See, our table will get ready. Okay, so just save the table now. It will take few seconds. Okay, now I'm just waiting, and it is taking time. It's taking too much time. Okay, yeah, now it has created. Now we can go and see user photos and ID, user ID, photo, default photo, status created and updated, and all the columns have come. Okay, now our table has been created. Now in next step, we are going to create model. Okay, so now create this one, create user photo model. Okay, like this user photo, like this you can create model. Okay, here we write model. Okay, so now we will create user photo model, user photo model below command. Okay, so that we already know PHP artisan make model users photo. Okay, like this. Okay, so I am just going to copy this and will paste here to see dating 5.7 is the project, and I'm going to paste here and I will run it. Okay, users photo is fine. Okay, yeah, now it has created model created successfully, so it's fine. So model has been created. We can check this here. Users photo, what its name we have created with. We have created cancel this one, and yeah, user photo we have created. User photo is not seems to be there. We have created Laravel dating 5.7 and it's the dating 5.7. Let me see. See, here it is, user photo. It is fine. Yeah, why it is not coming? User photo, it's here only. Okay, so okay, it is not visible to me. Okay, see now user photo has been created. Okay, so now we have created this model as well. Okay, now we are going to start some real work of creating the page of add photos, and we will start with the route. And now we are going to add a route for it. Okay, create route. Okay, so we will now create. Now we will create get post, or any, you can use any route. Okay, any route for photos. Okay, for and this time we are going to web.php. Yeah. Okay. And this time what we are going to do, we are going to create this one in route group. Okay, so in route group we are going to use, okay, going to create in route group. Okay, we now will say get post or any route for photos in route group in web.php file. Okay, so we will create similar kind of route that we have created, like similar kind of control shift T. We will now make it step 3 here. Okay, so now we will create like step 3 because we assume that this is the step 3 of the dating process. Okay, so if you want to give your own links, then you can give your own means define your own route. Like in place of step 2, you can give like my dating profile or dating profile, and in case of step 3, you can choose my dating photo or dating photo or user photo, anything, and function also dating profile or dating photo, means anything you can use in place of step 2 and step 3, because it might be confusing for you. So you can use your own means own function name, own blade files names, or on this route links of the pages. Means anything you can do. Only thing that is helping you is the process. You can use similar kind of process, but you can make the better, because here if you will see, the template also is very boring. So you can make wonderful temple with the help of the designer. You need to make good form and everything, because CSS and design is not our major task. Our major task is to learn Laravel, and for that we are doing all this. So you can do CSS and design of your own if you want to make it more attractive. So let's see step 3, that the function we have set for it, and now we are going to create this function. Okay, so now I am going to create step 3 function. Okay, now we will create step 3 function in user controller. Okay, that will be like, okay, I will create there user controller. Okay, I will check like step 2, it will be similar to step 3. Okay, so I will create step 3 as well. Step 3 I will write here. Here I going to return view. Then in users folder we will create this step 3. Okay, this is going to do. And here also, if you will see in step 2 as well, we have done like this. Okay, so now we are going to create so instead we are going to create this step 3 dot blade dot php file. Okay, so now we will create step 3 dot blade dot php file, and we will make photo form. Okay, from where user will add photos. Okay, so that will be identical to step 2 dot blade dot php file. So what we are going to do, we are going to create in sources, views, users. Okay, here we are going to create step 3 dot blade dot php file. Okay, so I'm going to create step 3 dot blade dot php file. Okay, right. So I'm going to open step 2 dot blade dot php file as well. We can copy these essential things. We can copy like this. We can copy this part. Okay, not everything. So we can copy the main part, like we can copy the front layout content, and we can also copy these few of the things, few of the more things we can copy here. We are going to make changes. Okay, see, if you will see the similar kind of page will come. First I will log in. Something login turn on this. Okay, so this, for resolving this issue that is coming right now, because we have updated Laravel 5.6 to Laravel 5.7, so this issue has come. So in kernel.php we need to add the class. Okay, here we need to add the class. If you will see, if you will open our earlier project, you are going to see like dating. If you are going to open our earlier project, you will see that kernel.php is having the front login class. Here you can see http. See this one, front login class, that is required here as well. Okay, here as well it is required. Okay, after verified, it is root middleware. Okay, fine. See this new thing you are going to see. Ensure email is verified. This is the new thing. See in Laravel 5.7. Okay, so so if the issue is coming to you, then you can add this one, sorry, not this one. You can add this one, front login here, okay. And you can see here in this kernel.php, you can see the syntax for Laravel, means Laravel 5.7 existing kernel.php file as well. Okay, so now front login we have done. Now if we are back, see the file under review, it's fine. Okay, so now you can see, now we are going to approve it again. Okay, only then it will display this form. And what we are going to do, raw profile, we are going to display this status 1. Okay, and once again you see refresh the page and it will show you step 2 this time, and now I'm going to display here step 3. Okay, so there are some issues that we are going to resolve. Okay, so actually step 3 does not require all these kind of things, so we can remove all these kind of things. And form input, yeah, this one we require, in some of the cases we require, but we will do with other method. We will use auth methods here, so we can remove this one. And here as well we will see what else to remove. Okay, so it will show errors, we are going to get in context. Okay, so this one we can close now because we have resolved this issue. And now we will see, I think it's better to remove everything. Okay, form I'm going to remove right now, and here I'm going to add photos like this. Okay, and nothing is required here. Photos required again. No, what will come here? It is not required at all. Now we can see. Fine, it is photos, nothing we have done so far. We can open step 2 as well. Okay, so what we can do, my dating profile, my photos, here we can give my photos, and after that here we can give a upload. You can upload multiple photos of your choice. Okay, so here we can put photos, or yeah, this time. So we can do like this. 3, okay. You can upload your multiple of your choice of photos. Fine. Now we will add the form. This one we can close step 2. We can add this form after we click. We can add the similar kind of form and then make changes. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give the structure and replace everything else. Okay, so I'm just going to remove everything in the form. We just keep one tr for photos, and rest of the code we are going to write ourselves. Okay, so now I'm going to remove everything, and up till here I'm going to remove. Okay, so just 2, and now we are going to make changes like dating. Here we will get photos form here, and here step 3, and here it is not required because every time. Okay, so yeah, even if we are going to get the from auth, Okay, so like this, auth user ID, like this. Okay, so here we'll add photos. Photos can add. Okay, so here we will see here. So this one we add photo here as well. Okay, so here we are going to remove this script. Here it will come like type will come like file, and okay, so here in name we are going to add array because we are going to upload multiple photos, and also we are going to add multiple here, multiple equal to multiple, like this. Okay, and here also we are going to add that thing, that type equal to multi part, multi part, like this, and form data, it will look like this. Okay, multiple form data. Okay, so now it's fine, now it seems to be fine, it seems to be better. Okay, so I'm going to see here, now it's fine. Photos, choose files. Okay, no file chosen, you can upload your multiple photos of your choice. Okay, so now it finds, and now we can select multiple photos here, and uh, see here, now you can able to select multiple photos if you want anything. See, you can add multiple photos. Okay, so you can add any photos, add dummy photos, some dummy photos. I'm going to add this. Okay, we will not add anyone's photo, we will add some dummy photo, dummy one. Okay, this one as well. PNG, we will add JPG only. Okay, so for the timing, this one we are going to add one photo only. Okay, so one, you can search one minute. Two photo we will add at least. This one also we can add. Also, if there is no photo, then we can display as well another photo. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I can add my photo as well. You can add photo. You can add your own photo as well. Okay. So you can add your photo. You can add your own photo as well. You can add what else? Notice seems to be there. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Add your own photo. Okay. So now we have collection of photos. Now we are going to add a few of the photos. Okay. We are having at desktop. We can add these two photos. This, okay. Open. Okay. Now see, two photos are selected. Okay. So what we will do the image upload process. We need to do the image upload process. Okay. So now you have seen that we have created the form to upload photos. Now now we are going to update step 3 function. So now we will update step 3 function to get photos from user and submit upload in website, in getting website. Okay. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to update our step 3 function here. Okay, here I am going to write the code like if dollar request. Okay, if request post. Okay, then only it will work. Then we will get all the data and input as well. Okay, so here we are going to display. Now what we are going to submit. See, both the photos have come here. Okay, so see photo amit.jpg and dummy1.jpg. Both the photos we have added and it's coming there in array, in photo array. Okay, so in next video we will continue, and what we will do, we are going to install that uh, the plugin, what we call it. We are going to install that one plugin for uploading photos, and I'm going to tell you which plugin we are going to install next time. One second. Let's see. Intervention package. Okay, yeah. Intervention package we are going to install next time for uploading the photos into our website, and see this one we are going to install next time. Intervention image package we will install in easy steps. Okay, just in 1-2 steps we can able to install. So that we are going to do in next video for uploading our photos, and then we can upload our photos. And also do one more thing that in that you can do. uh, okay, we will create that also we will create one more folder for photos here, dating, here dating 5.7, public images and front end images. Here we will create one folder, photos folder here, so that we can upload the photos in that folder, and we'll get the photos back from that folder to print in our website. Okay, so this thing we will do in next video. And here also we are going to, while adding the photos, then photos are going to display in this table also. Okay, in this table also it will display here in photos folder that will get, it will come here as well. Okay, so now and then we will install intervention package also. Then we will write here its query also. Okay, all these steps we are going to do in next video. So in next video we will install intervention package. Okay, this package we will install intervention image package function, image package for uploading the photos in our dating website. We can even resize the photos if the size added by the user is too large. Okay, so stay tuned for next video. So thanks for watching. Okay, then I hope everything is clear up till now, and you can see that this page is also not accessible without login. See, if I am going to log out and will open this page again, okay, then it's not going to be accessible. You just need to log in, and only then you can able to access this page. And also do one more step. Okay, here update it in sidebar. Okay, so do this step here. one update front underscore sidebar underscore sidebar dot blade dot php file. Okay, also add my photos. Okay, in my photos link in front sidebar as well. Okay, you can add in similar way. Here you can add to 3 my photos. Okay, so what we can do that this my photos will only appear if the user profile, if the dating profile is approved. Okay, so for that also we will set the logic for it. Okay, in next video we will also see that my photos will only appear if the dating profile is approved. Otherwise this uh, will not display at all. Okay, see here we have done dating count plus dating count equal to 1, then my dating profile as, otherwise add dating profile. Okay, so we can do like this, but here what we can do, this is going to display always, it will be same, and this condition we can add there. Okay, so we can add this condition here. Simply we can add it like at the rate of if that is equal to 1, only then it's going to display. Okay, otherwise it's not going to display. Okay, like this we can add. Okay, so that it will be easier for us to see my photos. Okay, so we need to move this thing as well. Okay, so now it's fine. So if you will click on my photos will come. If you click on my dating profile, my dating will come. Okay, so fine. So in next video we will continue uploading and continue installing information package, and then we are going to write the code for uploading images, multiple images, and will show here somewhere in this page as well. Okay, that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.